Today, we're diving into a crucial topic about broccoli and its surprising health impacts. Did you know that certain food combinations can actually turn this healthy veggie into something harmful? Stay tuned to learn more.
We're going to explore some surprising food combinations that can turn your healthy broccoli into a potential health hazard. Some combinations can interfere with nutrient absorption, while others might create harmful byproducts during digestion. One such combination to be wary of is pairing broccoli with processed meats like bacon or sausage. The nitrates found in processed meats can react with compounds in broccoli, potentially increasing the risk of certain cancers. So, before you load up your plate with that seemingly innocent broccoli and bacon stir-fry, remember that knowledge is power when it comes to our health. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the specific dangers of these food combinations in the next chapter.
Now let's talk about a scary word: cancer. While broccoli is often touted for its cancer-fighting properties, certain food pairings can actually increase your risk. One example is combining broccoli with refined carbohydrates like white bread or pasta. These refined carbs are quickly broken down into sugar, spiking blood sugar levels. This rapid spike can create an environment in the body that promotes inflammation, a key driver of many chronic diseases, including cancer. Additionally, some studies suggest that consuming cruciferous vegetables like broccoli with soy products might interfere with thyroid function in individuals with iodine deficiency. While more research is needed, it's something to be mindful of, especially if you have any thyroid concerns. Choose whole grains over refined carbs and talk to your doctor about your individual dietary needs.
Dementia is a heartbreaking condition that affects millions worldwide, and research suggests that diet plays a crucial role in brain health. While broccoli is generally considered brain-boosting, certain food combinations might negate its positive effects and potentially increase dementia risk. One such combination to be cautious of is pairing broccoli with alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption is generally considered acceptable, excessive alcohol intake can damage brain cells and increase the risk of dementia. Another important factor to consider is the way you cook your broccoli. Deep frying broccoli, especially in unhealthy oils, can create harmful compounds that may contribute to oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, potentially increasing dementia risk.
Now that we've covered the potential downsides, let's shift gears and talk about how to maximize broccoli's amazing health benefits with some delicious and nutritious recipes. First up, we have a vibrant lemon garlic broccoli salad. This refreshing salad combines blanched broccoli florets with a zesty lemon dressing, toasted almonds for crunch, and a sprinkle of dried cranberries for a touch of sweetness. It's a perfect side dish or a light and satisfying lunch option. Next, we have a flavor-packed ginger sesame broccoli stir-fry. This quick and easy recipe features stir-fried broccoli with garlic, ginger, and a savory sesame sauce. You can add your protein of choice like tofu or shrimp to make it a complete and balanced meal. And finally, we have a comforting and creamy broccoli cheddar soup.
We've explored some delicious and healthy broccoli recipes, but now it's time to uncover those culinary creations that do this superfood a disservice. First on our list of broccoli blunders is the infamous deep-fried broccoli bites. While tempting as a crunchy appetizer, these deep-fried delights are loaded with unhealthy fats and calories, negating any nutritional benefits broccoli offers. Next up is a surprisingly common culprit: broccoli salad with sugary dressing. This seemingly innocent salad often hides a sugary secret in its dressing, turning a healthy side dish into a sugar bomb. And last but not least, we have the broccoli and processed cheese casserole.
Let's end by highlighting why broccoli deserves its superfood status. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that provide a wide range of health benefits. Broccoli is an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts the immune system, protects against cell damage, and promotes collagen production for healthy skin and joints. It's also a great source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health, and folate, essential for cell growth and development. Moreover, broccoli contains sulforaphane, a plant compound with potent anti-cancer properties.
Thanks for watching. We've covered a lot about broccoli today, from its potential dangers when combined with certain foods to its incredible health benefits and delicious recipe ideas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and recipes. See you next time.